Hello again, everyone. Truck CB Sales back with you. Today we've got a Truckerized Longhorn by Ranger Superior N6. This one is for Moonshiner right here in the state of Kentucky. Moonshiner got you ready to go. You do have a 10 kilohertz switch right here if you want to use it. Your high cut filter right here on the Roger Beat button. Push it in, it's on. Out, it's off. Okay. We're going to go ahead and show you what it's doing here. RF power all the way down. 500 watt slug. It's about 20 watts all the way down. So roll it all the way up. 125. I'll show you average power swing. Hello. Over 300 bird, about 320. 1000 watt slug and peak. Hello. About 725, 730 PEP. All right, Moonshiner, this bad boy's ready for you. Can't wait to get it to you. Put a handshake on you from your friend Truck at truckcbsales.com. Bum, bum.